Why don't you just stay in my arms tonight? Why don't we press pause on the fights we had? Oh, won't you just let me hold you so tight? We need to stop this bleeding. Whatever we think is wrong, who cares, it's just not right. Seeing things from all these angles, fuck, we waste our time. Talking about everything just messes up our minds. Tapping out, leaving this now. Cause whatever, forever, we can do this shit, we're together. Yes, rise, fall nice. You and me be lighter than a feather. Never ever, war zone. Gonna fly with she gets fucking heavy. Suddenly we see the same. Why don't you just stay in my arms tonight? Why don't we press pause on the fights we had? Oh, won't you just let me hold you so tight? We need to stop this bleeding. When we're good, all is fine, yeah, we can do much better. I don't wanna win a fight just to be right instead of being close to you. Stop, it might be losing us. I know shit is hard, it's not who we are. Come on, baby, we got this. Cause whatever, forever, we can do this shit, we're together. Yes, rise, fall nice. You and me be lighter than a feather. Never ever, war zone. Gonna fly with she gets fucking heavy. Suddenly we see the same. I am ready, are you ready? Let's make it better, baby. Let's get closer. Will you open up for me? Just let it go, forgive more than ever. Pause on the fights we had. Oh, won't you just let me hold you so tight? We need to stop this, please.
Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I just wanted to hop on really quick and just say hello. And I did style my Barcart before I even came on to say hello to y'all. I did that purposely. I put the Barcart back together the way that it already was. Y'all know I had the gold glasses on, and I got black ones on there now. I don't know which ones I'm going to use. I forgot to bring my bag down here. Y'all know when I bought those cherries and that strawberry, I said I was going to put one on here or both. So I left the bag upstairs. So I'm getting ready to go up there and pick that bag up and bring it back down here. But I just want to, come on, introduce the vlog and let y'all know what was going on. And I also want to share with y'all, y'all know when I was talking to y'all on my Q&A, and I was kind of letting y'all know about some things that was going on in my life and had been going on with my kids and stuff like that. And y'all know the story behind it. I ain't going to go all off into that. Anybody that's new here and want to see, go look at my Q&A video. But anyways, my mama had took a picture of my kids on that special day, two of my boys, and anyways, and then my husband had the picture blown up and framed, but the frame had broke, and so I had got a new frame, which I'm glad. This is the color that he had, and it matched the wall color too much, too close to the wall color, but it broke. And anyways, so I'm gonna turn the camera around. So I'm just gonna turn the camera around. I'm not gonna turn the lens around. But just this is it right here. Just want to show y'all. I put it in the black frame, which I like that better, and it match everything. But yeah, I was gonna say at first, I was like, I don't know if I want to put that back up there. I think I want just a picture with all my kids. I really want a family picture with all my kids and all of my grandkids. I have 3 children. And I got 7 grandkids. I want all of us in the picture together. And, you know, and then I find a spot for that picture to go. But I do want that. Like, ain't that something, y'all? Generation. We got a legacy, y'all. We got a legacy. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with y'all. I'm going to run up and get that bag right quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, because I don't really know if I'm going to keep the Barcart down here. I told y'all I was undecided. But I did change it. I added the cherry, and I kept the jacks. I took the glasses off. I did have the strawberry on here, and I ended up moving the strawberry because I thought it was too much. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I'm going to put it back on there. And then y'all tell me what y'all think. Kind of had it in between here. So, y'all think I should keep them both right there? Okay. Let me know down in the comments. I'm back, y'all. I'm back. Y'all, so I decided I done played around with this thing right here. And, you know, it's nothing wrong with the Barcart. I just don't like having to have it sit right here on this wall. I don't like having to have it right there. Because I feel like it need to be in a corner. Y'all crooked. Oh, let me turn this off because I'm watching my Dame Dash and him and Mylon on here talking. They talking about Latasha Scott. Her new song. But anyways, y'all, so I just want to show y'all what I just did, okay? Show y'all a couple changes that I just made. But I like this wall by itself. It ain't never been by itself because the table was right there. But I like the wall by itself. My original plan was to put, like I was going to get some chairs and put the chairs right here. Some chairs or a bench. That's my plan. But I'm going to play around with it. I don't want no ottomans. But I was thinking if I could find a long bench to go here. Or some chairs. And I had some chairs in my cart before I even bought the furniture. Because I told y'all what I wanted to do. I wanted like the pretty bright colors. And eventually I'll change it to that. I'll eventually change to it. That's why I changed my mind from buying the rug with all the colors and stuff. Because I was just shooting straight for what I wanted. And I don't want to have to keep buying rugs. So I'm going to get a rug that's more neutral to the sectional. Sofa sectional. I don't know what they want to call it. But child, it's a couch with a chase to me. But anyway. Yeah, I'm going to get a rug that's more neutral. Like when I say like a neutral palette. Something that I can just put anything with. And you know, I can easily change up my wall art and stuff like that. These pieces going to be here until whatever. Because I just love them. They all came from Hobby Lobby too. And then, you know, if you've been following me, you know that I had bought that one and the saxophone. No. Take that back. I bought this from Hobby Lobby, the musical note. I bought the saxophone from the at-home store. And then I went back to Hobby Lobby and I bought the microphone. Microphone was all like this black and gray right here. And I did a DIY. I got a video showing that. And I DIY'd it to add the colors that was on the saxophone and the musical note. I kept the picture that I bought from Burlington. The lady that had the blue background and the gold frame. That's the reason why I kept that one down here. Because it just made sense. Because it matches everything that I have down here. So as far as the wall art goes. So